A Buddhist void. It's literally the emptiest, most isolated spot in the cosmos.
At a staggering 330 million light-years across, this massive hole totally shatters our understanding of cosmic scale.
We call it a supervoid. Basically, it's a huge, spherical region with bizarrely few galaxies compared to normal space.
Astronomer Robert Kirshner actually stumbled right onto this anomaly back in 1981 while mapping the universe's 3D structure.
700 million light-years away. This thing is so massive, you could cram 3,000 Milky Ways inside it.
In a space this vast, we'd expect about 2,000 galaxies. But honestly, we've only found 60.
So galaxies trapped inside like IZ81 are incredibly rare, but totally verified by academics. So what would you actually see if you traveled right into the dead center of this void?
To the naked eye, absolutely nothing. You'd be totally surrounded by endless pitch-black space. The nearest galaxy is 13 million light-years out, way too dim to see without a serious telescope.
It's literally like smearing the light of one tiny 25-watt bulb across a massive 15-kilometer sphere.
If Earth sat inside the buoy's void, we wouldn't have even known other galaxies existed until the 1960s.
So how on earth does nature create a hole this huge? Well, look to the early universe.
The soap bubble theory suggests that smaller voids just bumped together, expanding and merging over a long time.
Those 60 galaxies inside are pristine. They evolved in total solitary confinement, untouched by normal intergalactic chaos. Which leaves a haunting question. Out there, how could you ever prove you weren't the only thing existing?